Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Alanax Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit drop-down text. What I mean by that, how you can edit this text in your Webflow website. So first of all, you go to your Webflow dashboard and then you open the project. This will open up the designer mode. We already discussed the difference between designer and editor mode. So if you still have any confusion, go check out that video first. So once you're in the designer mode, scroll down to the drop-down section. So this is the drop down section. Then click on the text. Then go to the right hand side, select settings and find drop down settings and menu. And in menu, select show. And it will show you the content inside the drop down menu. Now you can easily double click on it and start making changes. And that's how you change the setting. That's how you change the content inside drop down settings. I hope this helps. And if you have any other question, please let me know. And thank you for watching.